SQL. The SQL is a database management language. Is a kind of programming language. With SQL you can manage the databases. I'm learning SQL. I'm learning SQL to make and do school assignments. I learned the SQL throughout my 2 years at school, but I don't learn it I learned almost nothing. I don't had a efficient learning process. Then these few days I have been going deep into the SQL. I'm making a project, a school assignment in the SQL. The project is made. Now I'm making the ERDs and a relate about the project. Is a database for online RPG, and I went deep into the SQL. I made this project for days. I going really deep. I stayed days making it, and now I'm continuous making it, and it was difficult. I started to make the project, and I made one project, one prototype project, and I finished, but I asked for ChatGPT if the project was good and had some mistakes, some things to improve. Then I start another, but it's the same project, but almost entirely different, because I needed to make it better. And I started almost a new product and posted at my GitHub the journey. The project now is 100% functional, is very good. I made the tables, the views, the structured procedures, the functions, everything that a database needed, and posted, put it in my GitHub, made a good read.imd. Then these videos talk about the SQL and my first deep dive into SQL, like the first deep dive in Python. My experience was that SQL is difficult, but you can learn it. Isn't really difficult. It's a language that you need to learn. You go to the SQL and have different server management. I'm using the SQL, the Microsoft SQL Server, the SQL Server, have the MySQL, the PostgreSQL, the Oracle SQL, have a vary, but I'm using the SQL Server. I made this project, this database for a school assignment. I have the requirements and I made other things beyond the requirements also. The SQL is a language to manage databases. You need it to become a data science, a data engineer, and a data analyst. You can use other things now. Python is very deep, very wide. You can use NumPy, pandas to manage databases in Python, but the SQL is a database managed language. Is specific to it, for it. I don't know if I will use the SQL in my career. I'm learning more for school to make school assignments, but it's really useful in the life in general. You can use it in various things to work with in the data careers, like I said, to manage databases. But I don't know if I will use it in my life because I don't know what I will work, if I will work with AI, but AI data science uses the machine learning to make the algorithms and the AIs to learn and recognize patterns. And the data science uses the SQL. But I don't know. I have the thought to make all CS50 Harvard courses and have the SQL Harvard CS50. Then it's good to have a base, a foundation in computer science. My goal is to make all courses that I have interest. Don't everyone, but some. About my project on GitHub, the project is 100% functional, is available in my GitHub to everyone see. You can see it. I will let my GitHub in description. I made tables, indexes, inserts, functions, everything to the database works very well. I'm making the RD now, the manual RD is a requirement in my school assignments, and then I'm making it, and I needed to make a relate to the school assignment also. My first experience with my first deep experience into the SQL was good. You don't need deep math, you don't need deep coding skills. The SQL is different than Python and other languages. It's a database management language. You don't need a deep logic, a deep algorithm. Learning is different, but SQL also is more know the structures, the commands, and you can do everything. Isn't about heavy logic, heavy the mathematics in the SQL, but is more know the commands and put in the right place. I made a very good very good folder in my GitHub about this project. It is very good. I'm finishing it. I have more updates to do, but it's very professional. I studied many days to make it professional, to make it good for everyone sees. Then if you have the desire, the curiosity, you can view my GitHub, see my GitHub. This was my first experience in SQL. I will have more experiences, I will have more projects in SQL. You can also work with Python, with SQL, with other languages. You can make a project with many languages that you connect all these languages. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.